Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jingshna ya ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 kalajan lab artan. La Pyntip Myntri ka Sorkar Jilla bakmi ya ka Tnat Public Health Engineering Umarkis and Marang. Uloong ba ka jingshna ya ka ni project kan sa ajing mentoy ru ikipat ba nong shnong bakin kamyo pahu ya ka umbam umdi.
Yeah, New Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 is already on the implementation. The work is under progress. I've gone to see the dam site also. The work is going 24/7, and we are hoping to complete these dams by next year. And some components of the works are also full swing going on. It was getting delayed because of the land acquisitions and all, but now everything has been resolved, and then works are full swing going on. Tour also something. There were certain issues where them were supposed to be constructed. There were some objections, but now it is resolved, and then work will be started very soon.
What about the Shillong, Greater Shillong? No update on that.
Greater Shillong, as I have already talked to you, the pumping from the Phase 3 from the dam site is already completed. It has been successfully tested recently, and then water has reached the treatment plant. But work is still pending in the distribution site, the laying of pipes, because of the, certain sections of the works need rod crossing. So there we are having some challenges.
So what is the latest figure?
We are hoping to complete. Some of the localities are still pending, but we are hoping to complete it. We are getting very good response from the localities also. We are hoping to get